If you want to trigger eSign workflows right after a form fill, this quick tutorial will show you how to do it in just a few minutes. It's a game changer when it comes to streamlining your workflows, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate this step. Let's get straight into it. To start, you'll need to have a form on your website where users fill out their information. This can be a contact form, a registration form, or any form you're using to gather data. The key here is that once the form is submitted, you want the next step to automatically trigger an eSign workflow without having to manually send it. First, you'll need to integrate your form with the eSign platform. If you're using a platform like Zapier, for example, you can easily connect your form to a software that supports e-signature workflows. For this step, make sure you've already set up the eSign software with your documents and templates. Once the form is submitted, Zapier or another integration tool can automatically send the document for signing. Now, let's talk about the trigger itself. In the integration tool, you'll define the form submission as the trigger. You'll want to choose the specific field or action that signals the form is complete and ready for the next step. From there, you'll map the data you collected from the form to the corresponding fields in your eSign document. This is where things get a little technical, but it's important to set up the workflow correctly. You'll need to map the name, email, or other key details from the form to the eSign document, so the signer receives a personalized and accurate document for signing. Once the eSign workflow is set up, you'll test it to make sure everything flows smoothly. Fill out your form, and as soon as you submit it, the eSign document should be triggered automatically and sent to the appropriate signer. You can track this through your eSign platform to confirm that the workflow was triggered as expected. If you're not sure where to start, I've tested several software options for automating eSign workflows and have found one that I highly recommend. You can get an exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. Only available to my viewers, so you can follow along and set this up yourself. Key takeaway: automating eSign workflows after a form fill is simple and incredibly effective for speeding up your processes. Make sure to integrate your form with an eSign platform, trigger the workflow upon form submission, and map the form data to the eSign document fields. To wrap it up, remember, the key is setting up the trigger correctly so that once your form is filled out, the eSign document is automatically sent for signing. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and streamline your workflow today.